Sun Tzu said, "Opportunities multiply as they are seized." Yeah, that doesn't really apply to this video, but I like the saying, so I went with it. Now let's talk about using your website to sell security guard services. Welcome to another 3-Minute Thursday. 3-Minute Thursdays is my web series where I share with you the lessons that I've learned over 15 years of being in the security guard industry. Doing everything from walking fence lines to politely stalking customers to collect on past due invoices, which I'm still doing. In my last video, I mentioned that we discussed how I think you should be using your website to sell your services. So let's start the clock and get to talking. So exactly what is a website? By definition, it is a location connected to the internet that maintains one or more pages on the World Wide Web. Boring. That definition does not even come close to capturing what your company website can and should be. In fact, many companies will treat their websites as this necessary thing that you have to have in order to be a company, kind of like a business card. I don't particularly think that there's anything wrong with that strategy, but you're missing out on an opportunity to be selling your services without actually having to sell your services. So what do I mean by that? If you've had your security guard company for more than a year, then you know that having a successful security guard company is more of an exercise in sales and marketing than it is about anything to do with operations. But there are so many security guard companies operating in your area, you have to try to differentiate your company from your competition every chance that you get. And your website is a great tool for that. Your website can communicate everything that you need to communicate to potential customers without you ever having to actually say anything to them. Get it? Sell without having to sell. As you're out spreading the word about your company, potential customers will eventually make it back to your website. And when they're there, they will see a well-designed marketing tool that pulls them in and begins to build trust, highlights your accomplishments, and tells a story about how you're different from the competition. Or they'll see a website version of your business card, which is about as exciting as reading a daily activity report that's filled with "made rounds, all secure." Hint, you should be going for the former. So how do you get there? There is a laundry list of things that you could do, but here is my very short list of a couple of must-haves for your website. First, your website has to contain fresh content. That content should come in the form of articles or videos done by you and your staff. The idea behind this content is to showcase your company's capabilities and your knowledge of your potential customers, their needs, and their business environments. Second, install a chat widget on your website to talk with potential customers who want to know more about your company.
For agents and business owners, you can actually see who is on your site, what page they're looking at, and even if they're a returning customer. If you think someone might need help, you can start a chat with them.
Chat software is usually simple to install and relatively low cost. And take it from someone who's been in sales for almost 20 years, no one wants to talk to a pushy salesperson, so people don't call to ask questions. But people are a lot more willing to have a conversation via chat because of the anonymity of chatting. Third, for God's sake, please stop using stock images and videos of security officers on your website. If you have a relatively late model cell phone, you have everything that you need to capture high quality images and video. When your potential customers look at your website, they should be looking at images of your officers, supervisors, owners, all looking like superstars. Nowadays, people crave authenticity, so why not give it to them? Well, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please click the like button below. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe because you would really be helping me out. Thanks everybody. See you next week and stay safe.